like in the previous tutorial we made the front end, raw front end of our project. So now we would be completing it. So like the first thing I would like to show you about the footer. We had some issues in the footer, like in the last tutorial. So like I'll right click here, click on inspect, and try to do something like this is our footer. So what I can do, I can add a background of black. Oh no, sorry, black. Yeah, now it's absolutely working fine. The text color should be white. Yeah, it's good. And text align should be center. Yeah, absolutely working fine. So we'll comment the changes here. So I'll add a style here. Background is equal to black. Good. And we'll make color is equal to white. Here color represent text color white. Good. And the text align should be center. Good. Good. So what I want to do, we have this class container fluid, and I'll give a margin bottom here, margin bottom of at least 20 rem to be to give like this would help me out like to have a scrollable view downside. Okay, so like now it's working fine. So I'll move to the container fluid. Okay, this is the container fluid. Yes, so like here you can see I've given a margin of 20 ram, 22 ram, 24 ram. So like okay, I'll look into this. Okay, so next thing we can do, what we can do is we have a about. So like we want a image here. So we'll add image, class is equal to image fluid. Okay, now and I define a source to it. Source is equal to percent static. Okay, and then a percent sign and end symbol, then logo dot jpg. I think this should work fine. Okay, it is throwing me an error. Okay, yeah, at the top of the template you need to define person dot static, person load static. Yeah, so it is throwing. Okay, let me see. Like I'm in my templates, static folder. Oh, the name is main.jpg. Sorry. Okay, I'll move to the link, and this is main.jpg. Yeah. So we have an image here also. Good. So like it's fine. So what we can do, like I'll align this button to the center, and what we can do, like this is button primary. So I'll give success as button success, and this is as button danger. Okay, and I'll give a style is equal to display block. Okay, so this would I'll try to margin 0 auto, and I'll apply the same setting to the another button as well. Okay, so I'll refresh this page. Yeah. Okay, okay, what we can do, okay, I'll give this as another row. Div class is equal to row. Good. And div class is equal to call md6. And what I'll do, I'll press Ctrl X, Ctrl V, and div class is what call md6. Okay, so I tried to give a row to it. No, this isn't working. If class to call 6. Okay, what we can do here is we'll inspect it here. Okay, see this is a row which is showing. Okay, good. Okay, the problem was that my call wasn't inside the row. Okay, so this now this is fine. Okay, my call wasn't inside the row, so now it is inside the row. Yeah, now it's absolutely working fine. Okay, so we have two buttons, submit and reset. Okay, why was the use of the reset? Okay, if I type any equation 2 plus 3 plus 5, okay, something, so the reset button would reset the text. Okay, okay, so this is absolutely working fine. Okay, what we can do here, we can provide uh, what we can uh, provide some text at the footer, like thanks for using our app. Okay, we can provide this, and in the same way what we can do, we'll move to the body part. What we can right click here, so this is looks good, and here we can see for the front end part you need to be do some like inspect and do something, because you might not be accurate at the first time. Okay, so okay, what we can do, uh, I'll give a class. I'm inside my body, so I'll give here I'm inside my body. I'll give a whole class a background light. This should work. So this would, yeah, here you can see my body has the same color as the nav bar. Okay, so this gives me a glossy interference. Okay, it might be just I want to tell you that you can give any color you want. You can right click here, so here you can see the background color might be this. You can do color inspector and try to give any color of your choice. Okay, what you want you can give any color. So this one I'm trying to keep things basic. It's up to you want to make any changes. Okay, and now what can we can do, I'll refresh this page. Yeah, good. So what we can do, so we have basically done with this. So I'll try to give one thing I had mentioned about the margin bottom here. So let me check with this. Okay, yes, this is the margin bottom. Yeah, yeah, I have increased. Yeah, that's why I was saying I was increased to trying to increase the margin bottom, like it would give you a flexible view down there as well, because next we are going to create the about part. So like we'll give a about block, and div class is called md6. Again I was inside my form, then inside my, this is the row, end of the row. Okay, then I'll again have the row div class is equal to row, and div class is equal to call md6. I'll give a style is equal to margin 0 auto, and something good, like we'll use some typography here, typography. So we can have various things. That is one thing you can use here is a display 4, or maybe LED as well, what kind you want to use. So like maybe you can use, what I can do, use p class is equal to display. We can use display 4. This is about, then we can give an HR tag, it will create a line, and then we can use p class is equal to LED, our calculator app can perform mathematical operations. Okay, now I'll refresh this page. Yeah, now okay, it's like it's fine. What we can do, uh, I'll give a margin top of 1 rem, then auto 0, then auto. Okay, okay, maybe or 2 rem or 2 rem also. And one thing I wanted to show you here, that I'll give this row, or maybe you can say column ID is equal to about, or maybe name is equal to about as well. Name is equal to about. And when at the top of my nav bar, if I come here, I'll give it as hash about, because hash represents to the ID. Okay, so basically even the VS Code says, like, I click on here, I get to this ID. Okay, so this is absolutely working fine. Okay, and when I'm here, I click on about, I get down to here. So basically this was an example how you can use ID with the reference tag. Okay, okay, now if I come to Control Shift I, okay, okay, and I click on about, I get to the about part. Okay, it can be in lengthy paragraph as well. Okay, it's up to you. uh, and I'll give as a style is equal to text align is equal to center. Okay, even to the heading also, text align is equal to center. Yeah, good. So like we are like almost done with the front end, so it looks good. So like in the next lecture we are going to be quickly coming up with the backend part. So I'll catch up in the next lecture. So thank you guys, thank you so much.